at me like that?
Why are you eating like that?
I haven't ate all day.
I haven't either. And you just eating in front of my face, just smacking like that.
So, Ari, you not gonna buy your man nothing to eat? That's crazy, man. That's crazy.
Que cómo, cuándo y dónde tú siempre me respondes. Quizá.
Check this out, son. Hold up. I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose. Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your way Quincy. I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be reacting to Iamjustairi making noises while eating prank on boyfriend. Hilarious. Yeah, y'all know damn well Trey hate that smacking shit. I know this shit gonna be fun. He gonna be mad as hell. Y'all know how irritated Eric can get with Trey can get how I know what Eric can get with that eating shit. You know what I'm saying? I know Trey gonna be pissed off. But if I just give a thumbs up, don't give a thumbs down. I know why. I really don't care. It's just YouTube. If you want to see more reaction videos or any other videos from me, make sure you guys go on my channel and check out my videos. You know what I'm saying? And also, don't forget to turn your post notifications to be the first on the face when I post a video. And lastly, don't forget to follow my social media right here. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Sparkling water. Don't forgot to do an intro, make a noise like eating. Yeah, knocked out.
Ooh, I can't wait to eat this food. I'm gonna be. What's that? Yes, y'all, look at this.
What's that?
I can't even see it.
What like some
Look at that.
chicken Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo?
Tell me that don't look good. So one, I have a waist trainer on. For anybody who's like, I look kind of big. You know,
Girl, you don't look big. Be quiet.
This is my meal for today. So all of this is noodles, some shrimp, and parsley. Like that's it.
Oh, parsley.
And the shrimp is grilled, not fried.
Ugh. I cannot eat shrimp. Shrimp is so damn nasty. I'm allergic to that shit. It's like every time when I eat shrimp, it's like my motherfucker, like my mouth get the swelling up and shit. So I'm allergic to that shit. I can't eat shrimp. That shit is horrible. But I can eat some shrimp noodles though. Let's go back to this video. Where you gonna wake up from? Now, Ari, Girl, you having an orgasm or something, girl? I'm not gonna lie. Them food orgasms be so good, boy. Hey, I'm like,
Yeah.
She having food orgasms. She played too much.
Napkin.
It's white peach. She played too much. Look at Trey.
Like that? Why are you eating like that?
Oh,
Loud and.
I'm not eating no more.
Now y'all know Trey don't. That he hate when people distract his snaps. When Trey sleep, let that man sleep. Don't distract that man for his naps, boy. Especially you eating like that. Oh, every game at the right time too. When he taking his naps. Where's the rest of this video?
You sure you being super loud eating?
Okay, we'll turn it off because it's hot as heck in here. Dang.
He mad as hell.
Why are you staring at me like
Cause
that?
why are you eating like that?
I haven't ate all day.
I haven't either. And you just eating in front of my face, just smacking like that.
So, Aaron, you not gonna buy your man nothing to eat? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Ugh, this motherfucking sparkling water is nasty and tea. That shit is nasty. But that's about that video.
This is how I regularly eat.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
You
is.
are doing the most right now.
No, I'm not
Yes,
doing
you
no.
are. You showing up.
I'm back, you know what I'm saying? That was why you calling my phone, you know what I'm saying? But let's get back to this video.
Would you like some?
No, I don't. You know I don't eat shrimp.
You don't?
You know I don't eat that.
Really?
You look like you want some, though. Look how you looking at it. And he don't eat shrimp either. That shit nasty.
It's hot in here, ain't it?
You know, there's a fly in here. Dial that out. So it won't get on your food.
Oh, he's a concerned boyfriend. Oh. She played too much.
All right, give me this. You don't get no more because you trying me. You looking dead at me, making the most noise you can.
I'm not. This is how I chew.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I don't eat plenty meals with you, and you don't eat like that.
Okay, I'm gonna eat a quieter food. It's the food that makes all the noise. We haven't ate spaghetti with each other in a long time. I've changed.
Well, that's
That ain't spaghetti.
garlic bread. I like my shit toasted. At least give your man a piece of a garlic bread. He say you hungry.
Put it in the noodles. Yes, yes, yes.
Alright, she's eating with her hands too. Oh.
What?
Slow down. It's gonna be there.
I am
And
slowing
close
down.
your mouth when you eat. You've been taught manners. Your mama taught you manners.
What are you talking about?
Because you. Like, come on, man.
I know what you're talking about.
She played too damn.
You got some water?
No. You should have bought you some water when you went in there.
Yes, she got to do with it, man.
She played so much, bro. I swear, bro.
Alright, no more for you, bro. No more, bro. You trying it. You trying it. You not funny, bro.
What are you
You not
talking
funny because you
about?
trying me, bro.
I'm
Like,
not trying you.
close your mouth and eat.
I am closing my mouth and eating.
You gotta go with that fake
Sound like my
ass
dad over
smirk.
here.
Okay, well, your dad likes good food.
No.
So I'm not allowed to eat?
No, until you close your mouth.
Okay.
You gonna close your mouth?
He wants some so bad. Look how he looking at her. She play. They play all their life, bro.
Okay, you don't got them on now. Come on now.
It's good.
Come on now. All right, work with me.
It's
he
good.
irritated
Like
now.
I'm confused. Do you want me to eat or do you want me to starve to death? I'm confused. I'm convinced.
I'm starving and you just eating in my face.
She asked, "Did you want some?" Oh yeah, but he said he don't like shrimp. I forgot. She played too much.
Okay, enough. Come on now. Come on, for real. Like, you doing it on purpose now.
I'm eating.
You not.
This is how I eat.
This girl is a character. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'll be irritated too.
Chew with them closed.
am. This is how I eat.
You keep trying to make noises for no reason.
No,
you sound,
I'm not.
Yes, you do. You sound like a cow eating right now.
I sound or look like
You
a
sound
cow?
like a cow. You
sounds
don't look
like
like
a
a
cow.
cow.
Nah, you know damn well he didn't say you look like a cow. Oh my god. Ari. I need to talk to you. You need to have a brother and sister talking about something, you know what I'm saying? Stop being insecure, man. Dang, man, you're not fat. You know what I'm saying? But let's get back to this video.
I didn't say you was a cow. I said you sound like a cow.
If you sound like something, that means you are something.
No, it
I
does
cannot
not.
sound
No,
like
it
a
does
cow
not.
because
No,
I'm a cow.
No, I didn't say that. I didn't
That's
say
what you're
that.
saying.
No, I'm not.
That's what
I'm
you're
not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Wow,
All I said is-
exactly why I'm on a
Why
diet.
you trying to flip my?
It's all good.
You trying to flip my
Flip
words?
his
Oh,
words.
good. It's okay. I'm a cow.
It's
You're
up
a cow.
there.
Move.
Oh my god. Move. 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 Move.
Move.
Move. She played too damn
You're
much.
the weirdo dating the cow.
I didn't say you.
He
You
did
did.
not say
You
you
did.
was
It's
a cow.
cool. You did. You did. You pretty much called me a cow.
I did not call you a cow.
If I say you know what you sound like? You sound like a duck.
Okay, I'm like, okay, quack quack. Like,
Okay, can a duck sound like a human?
No.
How?
by eating.
That's
What?
Yes,
No.
humans smack too.
I naturally.
And that's what you don't naturally smack.
Yes,
you
I
don't
do.
naturally smack.
Yes, I do.
You
I
know
was
how
born
to.
like that.
No, you don't. You know how to eat with your mouth closed. All right, I'm finna.
What the fuck you looking at?
Hey, yo, my mans, get your girl. Stop playing.
Okay.
Stop playing.
I am.
You play too much. Oh, I call him over here. Yo, my mans, get your girl. Yo, this your girl?
And that's your girl, bro.
Come on now.
I'm true.
No, you trying to be petty.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
Move. That would be petty since you call me a cow.
Oh my god, he did not call you
I
a
said you
cow.
sound like a
Yeah.
cow. I didn't say you look like a cow. Nor did I say you resemble a cow. I said you're eating
Eating like a cow.
That's resembling a cow.
No,
No,
it's
it
not.
don't.
I'm resembling
No, you're
a
not.
cow eating.
You're making the noise.
Have
that
you
they
ever
make.
even seen a cow eat?
Yes, I have. I've been to a cow farm before.
Everybody
You went
have.
to a cow farm.
Yes, I did.
A farm? Oh,
And I milked them before.
A cow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where'd you go?
When I was in like,
Little
like I
kid.
went to a summer camp and they took
In
us.
college?
Yeah, I went to a summer camp at Tuskegee University, which is an agricultural school, and they taught us how to milk cows. And I
she
milked
think
the
you
goat.
lying.
Stop.
I'm cleaning my
No,
mouth.
you're
Play
not.
too much. She had said,
You're
Sarah, them
retarded.
motherfuckers play too much. They play all their fucking life. Can't
You right,
stand
you right,
it.
you right, 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 right.
You just making the most noise you can, huh? Yes, you are. You trying to make the most noise as you possibly can.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
She played too fucking much. Brother Bill's getting irritated.
What?
Alright, I'm done.
Trey, it's just a prank. Relax yourself. It's a prank. You about to go back to sleep?
Yep. Oh my God! Come on now, for real.
No.
Did you just say it was a prank and you still making noises?
I'm confused. When you go to the farm and you told the cows to be quiet, did they stop?
Yes, they did.
So let me take my cow cell phone.
He's so petty. Oh my god. She is so damn petty. The fuck he go? Oh, you done let her man left the car.
Okay, it's a prank. I'm done playing. Look, leave me alone. It's a prank. Relax. It's a
I was
prank.
finna fire off on that ass.
Okay.
Stop playing.
Okay, she brought out Daddy Bills.
You woke me up from my sleep playing.
All right, we get it. Dang.
End it.
I gotta do my outro.
What he said.
Go ahead.
I love y'all. We'll never be here without y'all. See you y'all day, every day, every day, 99. Big things, love, thanks, stop there.
End it.
On the road to consistency, so make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, you know. I love you. Okay, you can.
Yeah,
Peace.
y'all. He know, look. He know his girl outro. My favorite part of my outro. P-E-E-E-E's. We love that. We love that track. Good thing you told us to say that. I love when Ari say that. Go ahead, bro. Let's go to this video. I got the dog.
See?
Girl, he ain't hit you that hard.
Oh, nigga, I'm about to tear you up. You really just whooped me like I'm a child?
Tried to play with me.
Well, here's the daddy, though. Let me stop on that.
Okay. I want you to know something. You done started something, and I'ma finish it. It ain't gonna be now. It ain't gonna be when you expect it. But watch your back. Watch your back.
You see this? You want some
Look
more?
at me in my eyes.
You want some more?
I got something
You want
for
some more?
you.
You want some more?
Do you? Tracy, you don't want me to tear you up. Y'all lay your body.
I love that. She was mad. But yeah, man. Good thing he took my favorite part. P-E-E-E-E. That's my favorite part of my outro. But yeah. They ass is stupid, man. Aries that annoying ass girlfriend. Alright. A lot of dudes like that though, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. If you give a thumbs up, if you don't give a thumbs down, cause y'all know why. I really don't care, just YouTube. And if you want to see more reaction videos and other videos from me, what you guys do on my channel, check out my videos. If you do like my videos on my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications to be the first to notify every time I post. And lastly, don't forget to follow my social media right here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. See every voice.